Have you noticed the colored dials next to your files in your bCourses sites? Those dials are a part of Ally, a tool that gauges the accessibility of documents and files uploaded to bCourses. The accessibility of course materials is very important for students in ways you might not have considered. Many students with low or no vision, cognitive and learning disabilities, and also those with migraines, concussions, or seizure disorders use text-to-speech technologies to access their assignments and course materials. Ally scans your files in bCourses and determines if text-to-speech technologies will be able to read them. When you click a colored dial, Ally provides that file's accessibility score and tells you if barriers to accessibility are present. In some instances, Ally even provides instructions for how to fix these issues. The accessibility health of your course is now at your fingertips, providing you with the information you need to create course materials that are inclusive from the get-go. For more information about Ally and accessibility, contact Ally Help at berkeley.edu.